Hello, my name is Moritz and today I'll show you how to mount a safety light curtain with the flat mount. The flat mount is the most space-saving option within our bracket alternatives for safety light curtains. Due to its original slim design, the bracket is perfectly suitable for applications with rather short protective field widths and narrow space conditions. For example, small assembly machines. The flat mount is a simple and cost-effective bracket for static mounting. With 34 mm, the bracket is just as slim as the device. This allows the mounting of the safety light curtain into small spaces and slots wherever it is required. Choose your mounting direction depending on the available space and accessibility. You can use a left, right or top orientation with this setup, and even one more, which you'll see at the end of this video. Keep in mind there's a mirrored A and B bracket to help you to achieve the same sliding direction on the top and bottom of the safety light curtain. When you have decided for the proper orientation, slide the flat mount onto the end cap of the device and wait for the click sound as a confirmation. With a common M5 screw and for example a slot nut, we can now attach the device to a frame or wherever it should be applied in your application. The bracket ensures the device is mounted closely and securely to the frame, and that again makes the bracket very suitable especially for narrow spaces. To shortly summarize our procedure, slide in, screw on. That's it. Now let's have a look at another option. The bracket can also be mounted in a hidden manner. This is an even more space-saving way of mounting the safety light curtain and avoids blind zones at top or bottom of the safety light curtain. To do that, we'll remove this insert and we can now use a countersunk screw with the bracket. By rearranging our mounting steps, screw on, slide in, we can keep the complete bracket's contour hidden behind the safety light curtain. The mounting accessory is now only visible as a 5 mm thin rectangle sidewise and does not need more space. Now, as the last step, let's establish the electrical connection. And the safety light curtains are safeguarding your application. Thanks for your attention. I hope you liked our video about the bracket's benefits and the simplicity of the mounting procedure.